He was one of the first researchers to sequence the human genome. I also mentioned Dr. Raymond Damadian, who actually invented the MRI scanner. I want you to meet a biblical creationist who is a scientist and inventor.
Hi, my name is Dr. Raymond Damadian. I am a young Earth creation scientist and believe that God created the world in 6 24-hour days, just as recorded in the book of Genesis. By God's grace and the devoted prayers of my godly mother-in-law, I invented the MRI scanner in 1969. The idea that scientists who believe the Earth is 6,000 years old cannot do real science is simply wrong.
Well, he's most adamant about that. And actually, he revolutionized medicine. He's a biblical creationist. And I encourage children to follow people like that and make them their heroes.
Hi, Godspeed. Welcome to my channel. This channel is about astronomy. I discovered that the Big Bang is false. So many things I discovered. But in this video, I want to prove Ken Ham that what he is believing is true, scientifically true. So he invited in a debate with Bill Nye, okay, he invited many people, like video invitation to prove somehow, like in a human, that there are some good people that. So this I cut from his video, okay.
Let me introduce you to another biblical creation scientist.
My name is Danny Faulkner. I received my PhD in astronomy from Indiana University. For 26 and a half years, I was professor at the University of South Carolina, Lancaster, where I hold the rank of Distinguished Professor Emeritus. Upon my retirement from the university in January of 2013, I joined the research staff at Answers in Genesis. I'm a stellar astronomer. That means my primary interest is stars, but I'm particularly interested in the study of eclipsing binary stars. And I've published many articles in the astronomy literature, places such as the Astrophysical Journal, the Astronomical Journal, and the Observatory. There is nothing in observational astronomy that contradicts a recent creation.
So in a debate with Bill Nye, but I want to tell you that the Bible is true, but you must have to listen very carefully, okay? So let's say like it was a clickbait, but I proved for the benefit of every Christian and everybody that believes in God. So clickbait because I put like Ken Ham. But if he listens carefully, he will understand that the Bible is correct, physically correct. So now let me make you understand why God says that the heaven was made in water. So maybe you will understand this first. God says in the Bible that the heaven, it is made in water. In water. So God says, look the passage, Genesis 1:6. So he says, let there be a firmament in the midst of the water, and the firmament or name heaven. This is the way I made my videos. I'm saying like a tea science or a coffee science. So I'm not filming myself straight, perpendicular. This is the way I like, not because any other reason. So this is for the benefit of whole Christianity. You must understand Genesis 1:6 says that the heaven was made in water. In water. The firmament was named heaven. So the heaven is made in water. The firmament is made in water. The heaven is named firmament. The heaven, like in logic, A implies B, B implies C, A implies C, like in logic, okay? So the firmament was made in water. The firmament was named heaven. So the heaven was made in water. So let me prove to you with pictures from Hubble pictures that there's water in the heaven. So I prove to you from Hubble pictures from NASA channel. Take, I did not make them. There's water in heaven. So I prove to you billion times there's water in heaven. So you must believe that the Bible speaks correct. The Bible does not say how the water was made. The Spirit was, the God was above the waters, if you know the Bible. And in the water was made firmament. And the earth was. And the earth was. Did not say how it made it. It was already. He gave the earth a spin a day. 24-hour day. But you must listen carefully, okay? Because you are confused by this current day science. So I'm showing you again pictures. Where is not water? The firmament is made in water. The heaven is made in water. From NASA channel pictures, okay? The stars are put in heaven, that is the firmament that is made in water. Look. So I proved to you many times, okay, from their pictures. Now you must understand how they are tricking you. How they are tricking you. The universe is a term that they invented. You see that in the Bible says the heaven and earth. The heaven and earth. The universe is the first trick that they use because we cannot see the universe. Saint Peter says that the universe, the skies were but old. But in the Bible it is written only the heaven and the earth creation, not all heavens. So let's listen to me carefully how you are tricked. The first switch was between heaven, the Bible says heavens plural, and the earth, and we universe. We cannot see the universe, but listen me carefully now how the firmament was made. You see, it was a bowl of water. A bowl. This is the first trick. They are saying that your galaxy, not heaven, galaxy. Heaven, galaxy. They superimpose this term to trick you. The heaven, our galaxy is a heaven, it is not a galaxy. It is not a galaxy like you are seeing that spiral stuff. That spiral stuff are stars, okay? So, listen carefully how the firmament was made. The Spirit of God was above the water, a cloud, a big galactic cloud of water. In them were all the planets, like this, and it voided inside. It created a void of a solar system, at once, in one day, with an energy, with this firmament, like you blow a bubble in the middle of the water. This bubble is the void of a solar system. That is not void. They are tricking you. It is not void. It is this firmament. It is electromagnetical energy that fits all the planets in it and the sun. This is the firmament. Because the God says that the birds fly under the firmament of the earth. So the earth has this firmament, electromagnetical firmament, the firmament that separated the waters. So the firmament is an electromagnetical field that cut in water, that split a ball, because our galaxy is a sphere. This is the trick that they are. So it voided inside, and the waters are surrounding our galaxy, that it is a sphere. There are pictures, if you know how the stars are going, that prove that it is a sphere, but they are lying everything. Our galaxy is a sphere, voided inside through this electromagnetic firmament, and this electromagnetic firmament has energy in it, and the stars remain like exactly like this bulb. The star remain in this electromagnetic firmament, and then God says that ignited in this firmament to the stars. This Genesis 14. And this put the stars like this. You see, they already were there. But when he said he united them all at once, like this, and they are tricking you that the stars are big and they are not like our sun and they are close, because I know even the dimension of this. They do not have any correct way of calculating the distances as the stars, and they are lying that they are making fusion and flames. And you see, this is not producing flames, and the stars are small. God says that put them to illuminate towards the earth. That's why many galaxies are orientated towards the earth, like this. Not like this, not like this. 90% of the galaxy. And the galaxies are cumulus, putting clouds, small. They do not have a second span, cross, a second with the speed of light. So this ball has 26 billion kilometers. This is why God says that it has a one day when he united the stars. The biggest speed that we know, it is the speed of light. So this, when he ignited it in the morning, the energy goes across all the galaxy in one day to ignite all the stars like this. That's why it has only one day with the speed of light. And they identify the sun with the stars. This is not true. Giordano Bruno did this the first in 1300. And they are falsifying that they have planes. The stars are put only to produce light, and they are small. That's why God says in the Bible the big light producing the sun and the moon. It names the moon big because the stars are smaller than the moon. So I've told you, dude, this is the way. And beyond this sphere, there's the heavens that the Saint Peter mentions, but we cannot see it because the firmament separated the waters beneath the firmament that the stars are put in. And above the firmament, and above the firmament there's fumes and smokes and clouds of hydrogen, oxygen. That's why it says that it is water, like in a night sky. But they are thick, because the Bible says that it's one day with the speed of light thick. So this is my explanation, okay? And you must understand the Bible is correct. And they are blocking. You cannot see the universe. They are blocking what it is beyond our galaxy. So goodbye, God bless. Like I explained to you how the Bible is correct. Goodbye, Kenham. Maybe you will hear this. Exactly like a clickbait. Maybe you will come across this. Okay, goodbye.